Today on Motive Learn, we delve into the fascinating world of simple inventions and creative life hacks that make life easier. Life hacks are clever techniques and shortcuts that can help manage our time and daily activities more efficiently. By using common household items in unexpected ways, we can simplify tasks, solve everyday problems, and make our lives more convenient. Ready to transform your everyday routines into efficient processes? Stay tuned. First up on our list of life-changing hacks is the humble binder clip. Now, you might have thought these were only for keeping your papers together, but let me tell you, they're capable of so much more. Imagine for a second a desk cluttered with cords. It's a mess, right? Well, binder clips can be your perfect solution. Clip them onto the edge of your desk, thread your cords through, and voila, a neat and organized workspace. Next, let's talk about money. No, not making it, but keeping it in check. If you're tired of bulky wallets, a binder clip can double as a minimalist money clip. It's sleek, it's practical, and it's a conversation starter. And lastly, are you looking for a fun and cost-effective way to display your favorite photos? Look no further than your binder clip. Clip your photos and stand them up for a unique picture holder. Who knew that a simple office supply could be such a game changer? But we're just getting started. Next, we have a household staple that's not just for your teeth, toothpaste. You see, this minty marvel holds a myriad of other uses that go beyond its dental duties. First off, let's talk bling. That's right, toothpaste can restore the sparkle in your jewelry. Simply apply a dab of toothpaste, rub gently with a soft cloth, rinse, and voila. Your jewelry will shine like new. Stains on your favorite shirt? No worries. Apply toothpaste directly onto the stain, rub in, rinse, and launder as usual. You'll be amazed at how the stain disappears. And we're not done yet. Those old sneakers lying in the corner? They can look brand new with a little toothpaste magic. Apply some to a toothbrush, give the soles a good scrub, and watch the grime vanish. Toothpaste, a hidden gem in your bathroom cabinet, offering more than just a fresh breath. Last but not least, let's explore the unexpected uses of a hairdryer. This everyday item is not just for taming your tresses, it's a multi-purpose tool with some surprising applications. Ever had a pesky sticker that just won't budge? A hairdryer's heat can help loosen the adhesive, making it easy to peel off. Just direct warm air towards the sticker for about 30 seconds, then gently lift it away. Next, let's talk about cold feet. Yes, literally. If you're faced with icy toes, simply warm them up with your hairdryer. It's a quick and easy way to cozy up on a chilly day. And here's one more trick for the books. Fixing dented plastic. Aim the hairdryer at the dent until the plastic softens. Then reshape it using a small tool or your hands, if it's safe to do so. Once it cools, the dent should be gone. With these hacks, your hairdryer will be your new best friend. And there you have it, simple inventions and creative life hacks that can make your life easier. We've explored binder clips' magical ways, the surprising versatility of toothpaste, and the wonders a hairdryer can perform. All of these hacks are within your reach, ready to simplify your day-to-day routines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Stay tuned to Motive Learn for more creative and practical life hacks. Together, we can make life simpler, one hack at a time.